Which of the following are the same? We've got 4/5, and as you can see it's fractions, so the big idea is going to be equivalent fraction. So the easy big ideas test you might be given, show that these two are equivalent. So I don't know, if you double both sides, be 8 out of 10. So that would be your easy big ideas test. Whatever you do to the top, you must do to the bottom to keep them equivalent. So if we do that for the higher ones, then we've got 4/5. Is it the same as 8/10? Well, no, because we can see as the one we've just done, that was just for 4/5, and we get 8/10, not 8y/10. So actually, we just answered that first one. That one cannot be possible. So if we look at the next one then, 4/5, is that equal to 16p over 20p? So what would we have to times 4 by to get to 16p? Well, 4 times 4 gives us 16, but 4 times 4p would give us 16p. So we know what happens to the top. Let's just check, see if that's the case with the bottom. So 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 4p is 20p. So we know that that one is correct. Next one, 4/5, and is it equal to 12q squared over 15q? Now to get 5 to 15, we would have to times by 3, so 5 to 15q we'd have to times by 3q. And again, it doesn't matter which way round you pick it. 4 times 3q, if they're equivalent, 4 lots of 3 is going to give you 12q, but actually we've got 12q squared here. So if the squared part wasn't there, they would be equivalent, but because that is there, then they are not going to be equivalent. Final one then, just to check. The final one then, we've got 4/5, and we want to know, is it equal to 4 bracket z take away 3 over 5 bracket z take away 3. So either way we do, if we look at the top, we can see that has been multiplied by z take away 3. And if we look at the bottom, that has been multiplied by z take away 3. So they must be equivalent, they've been multiplied by the top and the bottom, so there are our two answers.